King Panda pare, best in the business armory. Safety is always our priority, especially with our people. Of course, yung mga merchandise natin, yung mga watches.
Pare, isang case mong relo magkano?
It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Pero wala tayong relo ngayon. Dito tayo guys sa Katipunan. Andito tayo actually kay King Panda guys sa Luxury Cars Manila. Kasi pipick upin natin yung pinabulletproof natin. Tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Brother Hans! Kamusta brother? How are you? How's everything? King Panda pare, best in the business armory. Nakita ko na siya, nakita ko na. Okay, medyo tumaas lang siya ng konti, no? This is the LX700H, hybrid na siya.
Yung mukha lang siyang mataas ngayon kasi bagong kabit ang suspension. After about 30-45 days bababa, magsisettle yan.
Pero grabe, I'm excited. Less than 60 days, guys. Why are we doing this? Bakit tayo nag-armor ng mga kotse? It's because marami na tayong transactions, right? Safety is always our priority, especially with our people, yung mga, of course, yung mga merchandise natin, yung mga watches, hindi rin naman kasi biro. From Green Hills to BGC, naghahatid kami minsan ng mga relo, and we have to make sure na peace of mind kami secure.
Pare, isang case mong relo magkano?
A lot of people have already advised me, pare, yung pang-transport mo ng mga relo, just to, you know, it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it.
Pero meron extra ordinary interior ito
Yes!
sa'yo.
Oo, meron akong pinagawa lang. Pampa-VIP lang ng konti. Kasi,
Kasi si Hybe yan.
di ba pag in-armor mo naman something sa level 6, di ba?
Yes.
Liliit ba yung capacity sa loob?
Not as much.
Not as much. Okay, can we check?
Yeah.
Pare,
VIP
Pare, VIP siya. Alright.
So you have your settings here. You have the left and right seat, so you can
Okay.
choose. No, it has massage, ventilation, and heating.
Pero not needed naman yung heating eh. But it comes
Depende
with
kung may rayuma ka na.
it. Huwag naman.
Malaking bagay yun.
Huwag naman, boss.
So now this has a special feature.
Oh, may ref.
May ref siya. So you can, ito yung temperature niya,
Hanggang negative 13?
negative 80.
Mag-ice na yan.
Yeah. So you can choose the temperature. If you want to turn it off, long press. You want to turn it back on. So meron ka nito, you have your wireless charger, pero
Wireless charging. But I have my ports naman here, no?
Meron din dito.
Okay, meron din dito.
so this car is fully armored, level 6. Kahit ratrating ka ng 762. So the whole roof, the whole floor, all the sides, it encompasses what we call the ballistic capsule. So kahit anong mangyari, ratrating ka rito.
Wala namang may galit sa akin. It's just more of the robbery lang talaga.
Hindi ka naman nila gusto kunin. Gusto
Oo,
nila kunin
yung relo, tama, tama.
We adjusted the seat 6 inches back. That's why we had to cut through part of the interior para maluwag. Kasi yan ang problema ng LC tsaka ng LX. Kahit na malaki siyang itsura sa labas, tight here. So, gusto ko komportable ka pare. Hindi pwede yung...
I'm more than comfortable like this. Eh, parang nga ako nasa LM.
Yung LM kasi medyo family car. Ito medyo astig dating mo rin.
Yes, so lahat no, pati ito, yung side na to.
Yes.
It's all
Now, the
bulletproof.
rear of the vehicle, we armor the inside of the glass. The reason for that is if you replace all the glass from the outside, pangit. Tsaka sobrang bigat, nag-disalign siya.
Alright.
So we retain the OEM look para pag tumatakbo ka, hindi ka mukhang armored.
How's the
So,
driving experience though? I'm sure ikaw na, ako hindi ko pa nadadrive ulit to eh.
Lambot.
Malambot.
Malambot.
Well, I have na kasi yung LC200 na isa pang armored namin. Pero since ang dami na namin, may Patrick 69, meron si Paring Cholo, meron si Paring G, meron pa
Hindi
ako.
kasi si paring Cholo dito.
Hindi ka, kasya tingin ko
Pwede
kasya
sa
naman.
trunk.
Tingin ko pag naka-recline, kasya naman siya.
The difference between the LC200 and the LC300 and the LX, the 200 platform is more of a tanke.
Okay.
It's probably the most over-engineered car Toyota ever made.
Yung LC200.
LC200,
Okay.
including the LX, no? Kasi parehong platform yan eh.
I want to see yung likod where the merchandise is gonna be put.
Yeah.
Punta tayo sa fully automatic pa rin, no?
Automatic, nothing changes.
Alright.
So this is lockable, and from the inside,
press.
you can also open.
Perfect. Ooh. It's a nice space.
We specially made a floor mat for you guys. Ito.
Okay.
The problem kasi with yung OEM, nakalabas yung fan ng battery. Ang pangit eh. So naka-protrude siya. Ito, tinago na natin.
Nice.
Sakto si Parang
Pulido,
Cholo
ah.
dito. Meron.
It doesn't look like it was armored.
Alam mo bakit?
Bakit? Kasi
Ginawa
ikaw
na.
gumawa. Alam ko na yan. Siya yung gumawa.
So this is the spoiler turn. Other companies, what they do is they don't put this and they install the spoiler turn here on the door. The problem with that is imagine this bakal.
Andito.
Idadagdag mo pa sa pinto. Di ang bigat yan.
Kaya?
It's your car. Pero hindi naman ikaw magdadrive.
Honestly, it doesn't look like it's armored. Ang linaw niya. Walang any deviation or parang yun may grado, di ba? Yung sinasabi nga nila. Was the steering wheel kasi lambot niya? What did we do with the tires?
Tires, we upgraded your tires to 10 ply.
Okay.
Since it's 22 inch, thank God dito has a 10 ply tire. Ang problem kasi, when you're turning, pag hindi siya 10 ply, sa sobrang bigat niya, well, it's not really that heavy, but it's heavier, no?
Oo naman.
Gumagano ng sidewall. Sa 10 ply, hindi gumagano ng sidewall. So, safe ka. Inside the tires, you have what you call a run flat insert. In the event of an ambush, the first thing they're gonna shoot at is the window, where the driver is.
And then the
If
tires.
they see that it's armored, they will go for the tires.
Ano yung number one rule when pag na-ambush, you're in that situation? What do you do?
Sa ibang bagay kasi pare, pag nagputukan, you have to stay. Pag ambush, nagputukan, umalis ka.
So yeah, hybrid system is still working.
System work.
Batteries
There,
there.
nothing changes.
Nothing changes, no?
Phenol tank ko na yan. Kasi
How about the hood? We do under... Let's check the hood.
we have front engine protection on the radiator. Kasi kahit gaano ka-armor yung sasakyan, pag binanatan nila yung radiator mo na walang ka ng tubig, mag-overheat na. So that protects the radiator. Fenders are armored as well. So the bullets won't go through here. Your battery, your electrical system,
Oh,
fully armored.
enforced na rin. Ano?
Fully armored.
And the $1 million question. Gaano kabigat yung dinagdag?
This car,
Total weight, everything
right around
done.
750 kilos to 800. Hindi pa namin na but based on the material,
The reason why I'm asking is ayoko sanang masayang yung hybrid system niya eh. Na very efficient siya kung
mas
sobrang bigat.
maganda siya actually kung hybrid na mabigat.
Oh, really?
Why? Because you have more torque. The fastest way to add horsepower and torque to an engine is add a hybrid. That's
Makes
what Ferrari
sense.
did to the
Makes
SF90.
sense. Oo nga, no? Hindi ko naisip yun, ha? The next $1 million question. Anong suot mong relo ngayon? Paniray. Pang big guys watch. Big guys watch talaga. If you want to know how much I spent for this armoring, millions siya. Yun na lang sabihin ko. Tawagin nyo na lang si King Pan. Huwag lang kayong tumawad kasi galit na sa tumatawad.
Hindi naman. Basta may pambili lang kayo.
Boss
Yeah,
Hans,
that's your chariot, man.
pleasure. Maraming salamat,
You
ha.
will-
Ano magdadrive nito po, no?
Tara.
Parang gusto ko siya i-drive. Brother, maraming salamat, ha. Thank you so
Bro.
much. Ano yan? Para sa akin ba yan?
This is yours.
Ano to?
Maliit na merch lang para sa...
Oh! Okay,
Para
ganda.
hindi mo ako makalimutan.
Hindi kita makakalimutan, boss. Maraming. Uy, boss, naka-ISS ka rin? Pinadalhan ka?
Yeah, si boss.
Ito yon.
Pare pang kotse.
Yeah.
Siyempre.
Kay Ma'am Zenny.
Oo.
Yeah. This is for yung cost. Meron ako niyan. Meron din
Yeah,
ako
pang
niyan.
kotse.
Maganda yan, boss. Ano nga, Barcelona yung pinaka-gusto ko na.
Set.
Barcelona. Check it out. Ganda ng mga ano mo, ng mga collection mo, ha.
These are all singers who've been collecting for 30 years. Marami pa sa bahay.
Grabe, ang ganda ng office mo. Pero,
Thank you.
I wouldn't take much of your time. Maraming salamat. Boss.
You're always welcome.
Thank you, boss Hans.
Guys, thanks.
Hey guys, let's do this.
Bye-bye.
See you on the other side.